It is Goldie Gamer back with another video, and I'm gonna be doing Pokemon opening videos, and I have this one. I opened it already because I tried to do it on a computer and then it failed. I accidentally opened it, and we have this one for tomorrow. And so I'm gonna open this one, and we have Growlithe. It's old school Growlithe. And then we have Barney. And we have a rare candy. And we have Pinsir, I believe. And we have Energy card. And then I have Gold Duck. And I have Snubble, I think. I have Surskit. And Wingo. And Hoplo. And I have Reuben. And I have a Pokemon card for online, and I'm going to be giving out to one of the people in the description. Type in Pokemon if you want to win it. And tomorrow I'm going to be opening these ones. And stay tuned, like and subscribe. And can we have 10 subscribers this week?